name's Andrew, and the company I represent is Euromodels. We're an old established family-owned company. We date back to, unbelievably, the late 1960s, early 1970s, and we specialise in the importation, distribution and sales of wooden model boat kits. And what we'd like to do is, over a period of time, is run you through pretty much every single model kit that is manufactured by Amati, also Victory Models, which are part of the Amati brand, and as we go forward, also Corel. We're going to start with Amati and Victory Models first, and then we'll go on to the Corel range of kits later. As I mentioned before, we'd like to do all the kits eventually, so you can look at everything that is manufactured by those particular manufacturers in Italy. What I'll also try and do is not only show you the components, but I'll try and give you a bit of a guide to the complexity and whether or not it's suitable for a beginner, novice if you want to call them that, or a more accomplished model maker. So we'll try and do that as well in the unboxing as we go forward. You can contact us by email. You'll find our email address online. Our web address is www.euromodels.co.uk, and you can telephone us if you're in the UK on 01452 790 800. Thank you very much.